Okay guys, I'm working this 2003 Jeep Cherokee Laredo. Uh, this is a four-wheel drive. I'm changing the crankshaft position sensor down here. So the thing that I'm doing right now is I'm underneath the car, and obviously you have to open that hole over there to remove the no, you don't have to open there. So just remove this line here, the transmission shifter line cable. So the only thing is you have to push this up like this to remove it, and press these little flaps here like this to remove this part from the bracket. So you just move this cable right here, okay, just move it to the side, and you can remove the 11mm bolt that is holding the crankshaft position sensor. So when you move this cable, because we have to have some room for you can stick your hand between this here, this line right here. So I wanna grab a piece of rope to hold this cable down there like this. So okay, so you can see here's my cable. I grab a piece of hook over there. So only just stick your hand right here and just remove the sensor. In case your hand is really big, you can grab a small bar. You can remove the sensor right here. You have to twist it. Angle. You cannot see them, right? Let me see if I get better view. Okay, it's better. You see, the sensor is right there. Okay. So here's the sensor. Just twist it a little bit. Remove the sensor like this. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, this sensor, the guy that okay, so the guy that was working, another mechanic, he said he installed this sensor from I think it was Arizona, but he forgot to plug it. Man, that happens. So the owner, he got a new crank sensor from the dealer, because I recommend that from the dealer, and he used the new sensor right here. You see this little piece of paper right here? Do not remove it. This one is going to remove by itself when you crank the car. If you remove this paper right here, you're gonna damage the crank sensor. So please do not remove this one if you're installing a crank sensor from the dealer. This one is gonna be gone when you start the car for the first time. So in this case, you can say it says it was a brand new sensor, but it doesn't look like it. Well, all right. So our connector for the crankshaft sensor is this one right here, because from that to there, see, I just removed this part because I'm replacing it, and I replaced this one because, as you can see here, you can see here, this one is damaged, so it got a leak, evap leak, and also this part right here is, so somebody was working here and they damaged the part, so there's nothing else we have to, I can do to, so we ordered a new part, so that's why I remove it. So I think many mechanics, they try to remove the sensor from up here, but for me, it's only for me, and I hope this help you. From the bottom, it's easier for me. So the other mechanic, he tried to remove all these parts right here. So I want to put it back together right there. So well, this car got another issue, electric issue, so that's why I got my tools there, because I was fixing the wires. And but for the crank, the easier way is from underneath the car, and yeah, that's it, guys. So, okay, so we install this one. You got to relay this first. So we're going this way right here. See, right here. I'll show you. Okay, right there behind the engine. From here, yeah. See, you can see. I hope you can see my. Okay, you can see my hand. So just. See? Just get this one behind. As you can see, now we got our crank sensor installed right there. So sorry guys, do not plug the sensor first. It's really it's not the easy way. I thought it was gonna be the easy way, but do not plug it. So you have to plug it after you install the sensor. So alright guys, so remember, just put back the 11 bulb number 11 there. So there we go. Number 11, I just put back all. So this one goes like this, so easy. It's really easy. So okay, let me first, let me get this one first. There you go. All right. So now we're gonna put this one back. So as you can see there, it's back. Right there, and just push it down. And that's it, guys. So now you can go from behind the engine and reconnect the sensor. So, all right. So